Good morning. Good morning. I'm getting my hair done. A lot of you guys have been asking for a tutorial. I already have one, so I will link that down below. Gonna finish my hair. Going to finish watching Beat 'em Ups, his 2019 Japan vlogs, and then we're gonna get ready and we're gonna go to the store, get some we're gonna go to the store, we're gonna get some Japanese Asian snacks so I can send it off to Vanessa or Melody in the Air. And yeah, let's go. Let's ghost it up.
At Mark's, we make shopping for your favorite brands simple.
There was something about this place that was just so wholesome and so fun and so cute and adorable, and being here with Kim and friends.
Outfit check. I'm gonna go film. So this will be not the first time you see this outfit. Wilfred Boyfriend Button Up. Wilfred Free Modern Utility. I think they're both Wilfred Free actually. I'm gonna wear some sneakers. If you saw my hair was rattier in the morning, like when I was doing it, it's because I was trying to do heatless curls and it didn't work out. I have on the Missouri Herringbone in the 14 karat gold. This is discontinued. They have a bold version now. And then I have the Boyfriend chain. I think this is like the Boyfriend link chain, 14 karat gold. My classics, the croissant thin ring, the thin croissant, and the Charlotte. Good morning, Mr. Darlings. What's this? You got your dog beer IPA? Oh, don't bite me. Very good. Oh my gosh. You're so cute. Oh my goodness, look at that little face. Some congee for breakfast, but let's not forget the white pepper. Y'all, if you never had this, it is bomb. I know it's Christmas packaging, but oh my god, it is so bomb. This white chocolate one. Look at all the stuff they have here. What a freaking mess to get in here. Anyways, if I have time, I will show you guys around some other stores. But let's go into Aritzia. That will be a separate video, so let's go. All right, let's see how I can get this in this little Glossier box. I don't typically show you guys that I do this stuff, but I wanted to give Melody in the Air, also her name is Vanessa. I wanted to give Vanessa a shout out just because she does have a channel and she is an artist. So I wanted to just give her a little shout out for her channel in case you guys wanted to follow her. Oh, I also got her these. These are really good. These gummy candies. This is Ramune flavor and this is cola flavored. So let me put those in, and maybe I'll put this stuff here. So, oh no. It's not gonna work. Okay, so don't make fun of me. I'm using an old Glossier box. But yeah, let's put this together. I don't want this chocolate bar to break. I'm gonna pack it in there and cushion it with some stuff. And then we need a sticker. Let's give her this rainbow one. Okay, now I am packing one for Lauren, which Lauren is, well, she is my subscriber, but thanks, Lauren. But she my baby girl, you know. Oh my god, is this all gonna fit? Shit! I need a bigger box. I think I'm gonna pack something else in here. This is from Harley to his Vancouver slave, Lauren. So here's my random gift pile that I have to mail off. That's going. Those two are actually going to Vancouver. That's gonna stay local. I'm just gonna mail those off. This is for my friend. I will drop that off. This is for my friend's Easter. I need to drop that off this weekend. Whew.
Don't imagine the flavor is going to taste any different. And I'm also carrying 2 sticks of butter or 1 cup. 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar packed. Have you seen these measuring cups I have? They're really great for teaching your kids.
So a Cop's open near me, so I'm going to look for it. It's somewhere here, apparently. Oh, I think that's it. Is that it? Yes, it is! Oh my god, it's so cute! Do you guys see it? This looks really sketchy, but it's so cute. Oh, there's a dog park here. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Oh my god, it's so cute! Look how cute, guys. I love this place. Harley's just waiting for his donuts. All the Disney lovers, it smells like Disneyland. Now I'm at Blondie's.